What's up, everyone? Chris Nelson here, bringing you another Just the Tip Tuesday. And this week I want to talk about pre-settlement walkthroughs and why it's important to do them. As a matter of fact, it is extremely important to do one, and hopefully you're doing two. The PA agreement of sale allows for the buyer to do two pre-settlement walkthroughs prior to closing. The reason that I suggest doing two is a majority of the time when you are in a transaction, repairs are usually required at some point, whether it be from the home inspection or whether it be for the local use and occupancy permit or certificate of occupancy. Generally, some repairs are in order. When I personally prepare an addendum for a buyer, I always make it so that the seller completes those repairs no later than 5 days before closing, so that we have time to confirm the repairs were done, get our eyes on the repairs, and make sure they were done to our liking. So the reason I suggest doing two pre-settlement walkthroughs is so that you can get ahead or in front of any repairs that may have been missed or were not done accordingly. Then you can always go back. I always suggest doing your pre-settlement walkthrough the day of closing, not before, because anything can happen. But either way, either do your last pre-settlement walkthrough the day of closing or the day prior to closing. So there's my tip for this week. If you find any value to this tip, please do me a favor, like, comment, and most importantly, share. And with all of that being said, I hope to see you next week for the very next Just the Tip Tuesday with Chris. Take care.